everyone, my name is Nicole and I'm the guitar teacher at the Boys and Girls Club, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to count with music. An important term to remember is rhythm, and that's the pattern in music. First of all, it's important to know all the different notes that go into rhythm. This is a quarter note. It's filled in with a circle and it has a line coming from it. This note is one beat. For example, if you're counting to 4, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. It's right on that beat. This is a half note. It's a hollow circle with a line and it holds 2 beats. For example, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a whole note and it holds 4 beats. For example, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And lastly, this is an eighth note, which is half a beat, and it's a filled-in circle with a squiggly line coming from it. And this is how you count it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do some musical math. So when you have 2 eighth notes, those will equal a quarter note, because when you add half a beat to another half of a beat, that'll equal 1 beat. And when you take 2 quarter notes, it's like adding 1 plus 1, and that equals 2, which is like a half note, which is 2 beats. And when you take 2 half notes, that's like adding 2 plus 2, which equals 4, which will equal a whole note. This is how we would show the notes on paper. So over here, we have 4 quarter notes, and those are counted 1, 2, 3, 4. Under it, we have the 2 half notes, and you can see that it falls on beat 1 and beat 3 because it holds 2 beats. And the last one, we have a whole note, and we can see it's only on beat 1, but is held throughout all 4 beats. So now I'm going to play these on my guitar to show you how they sound like. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when you compare quarter notes to eighth notes, you can see that there are 2 eighth notes and 1 quarter note. So you would count this 1, 2, 3, 4. But you would count the eighth notes as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And to show you on my guitar, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now let's look at some rhythms. So right here you can see that this is 1 because it's a quarter note, 2 because it's a quarter note, and this is 3, but then that's 2 beats, so it holds in 4 too. And this would sound like 1, 2, 3, 4. For the next example, I kind of just switched it around. So this is a half note, so it holds 2 beats, 1, 2. And then over here are 2 quarter notes, and that's 3 and 4. This would be played 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here, you can see that these are eighth notes. So you would count this 1 and this is 1 whole beat. So this is all of 1. So this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. And this would be played 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now here, let's combine 2 measures. So over here is a quarter note, so that's 1 beat. This is a half note, so this is 2 beats, so it holds 2 and 3. And this last one is 4. Then over here we have a whole note, and we know that this one's 4 beats. So you hold it on 1 and count for 4. And this one would sound like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for learning with me. I hope you have a great day.